Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make traditional Hollandaise sauce. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 3 large egg yolks, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, melted and kept warm, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Also, have a pinch of salt and a dash of cayenne pepper ready. These simple components are the foundation for a rich and creamy sauce. Now, let's create the base. In a heat-proof bowl set over a pot of simmering water, whisk your 3 egg yolks with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Keep whisking constantly and vigorously. The mixture will gradually thicken and become pale yellow. This process, known as sabayon, is crucial for a stable emulsion. Remember, the water should not touch the bottom of your bowl. This is where the magic happens. Slowly, very slowly, begin to drizzle in your warm, melted butter, a few drops at a time, while continuously whisking. As the sauce starts to emulsify, you can add the butter in a thin, steady stream. Keep whisking until the Hollandaise is thick, smooth, and glossy. This careful addition prevents the sauce from breaking. Finally, let's perfect our Hollandaise. Stir in a pinch of salt and a dash of cayenne pepper to taste. If the sauce is too thick, you can whisk in a few drops of warm water to achieve your desired consistency. Serve your beautiful, creamy Hollandaise immediately. It's perfect over eggs Benedict, steamed asparagus, or pan-seared fish. Enjoy your homemade culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.